Okay, I don't want to go outside what we are doing. I would have asked a question. When when there was a picture showing one of our senators in a plane massaging the leg of a girl. Welcome. The Senate is the committee of the whole. Senator Oshiomole. Senator Oshiomole. Senator, your friend, your very good friend, Senator Lalong, came to give me security information. He said we just ignored the massage because we thought it was AI. But if you have another evidence, we have a petition before us. We can look into it if it's not AI.
Man, this guy's a kuzu. now it is a problem in Nigeria. If you check with the senators, Nigeria is in good health. Nigeria is in good hands. Look at, they're even laughing and crazy. Akpabio was trying to swat Senator Adams Oshiomole about, I think there was one video that came out when we saw Senator Adams Oshiomole with one fine girl like that, so it's a PJ. So then they were cruising. So, and with the gesture of Oshiomole, people were speculating was AI also. With the gesture, it's like it's not true, self. Oh boy, see people will go for Senate. Nigeria don't enter wrong hand. One chance. May God help Nigeria. We know Simon are no flex, but you guys should take Nigeria as a priority. Take Nigeria thing as a priority. I don't have much to say. As soon as senators they flex, they gist. A nation they born.